Helo a chroeso i'n fideo rhif 3. Welcome to our final Christmas sing-along challenge where we've been learning Silent Night in Welsh, and it's now time to learn the harmony. Now you can sing this any way you like. You can sing it an octave below if you want, but I'm going to sing it up here. So we're going to start on this note. Silent night. Okay, here we go. And silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. Lovely. Have a go singing along that. Triwch hwnna gatre. Falle triwch e gyda rhywun arall. Maybe try it with someone else and see if you can make some lovely harmony. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed. Ymunwch â ni ar yr 15 o Ragfyr. Join us on the 15th of December for our Tanio Christmas event. Lle dyn ni'n mynd i ganu caneuon nadoligaidd. We're going to be singing some Christmas songs. A gobeithio bydd popeth ni wedi dysgu. Here's hoping that everything we've learned across these videos we'll be putting it into practice. So, hwyl am y tro, I'll see you then.